K-poem. The fading sound. Duganum. A sound from afar drifts into me. Her emotions tremble, and my eardrum, like an outstretched hand, grows toward the sticky scent of feeling. Until, like a hawk finding prey, I devour the meanings hidden in her voice. Bit by bit, like flesh stained with blood, through the crimson path of my stomach, her voice becomes the cells of my heart, the essence of my tears. Now she breathes within me, whispers in quiet resonance, in rhythm with my body. I still love you. Though time has passed, and her trembling slowly faded, but it never ceased. It flows through my veins, purging the kidney stone of long-buried memories, through the wellspring of my tears. When I brush my hand across them, one drop, hot, then suddenly cold, falls in silence. The memory wraps around me, rises steadily, until it reaches the crown of my head. I gasp for breath, unable to stop, until dizziness from anemia overtakes me. So I open my eyes. The hand stretched from my eardrum begins to shrink. Her voice fades in silence, bit by bit. Thank you.